Mahigit 32 Pinoy ang nabigyan ng Dangal ng Lahi Award na inorganisa ng Kapisanan ng Dangal ng Lahi sa pakikipagtulungan ng Bayanihan Council at Philippine Business Council Abu Dhabi.
Nung nabigyan ako ng opportunity to give this award, this is my second time dito sa Abu Dhabi and Dubai. Giving me this opportunity sa lahat po ng community, not only for me, but for the executive board and for all the who are capable and who are doing this for the community. Not only for the community, but also sa lahat po ng ating business partners.
So Dangal means honor, dignity, and nobility. Each and every one of us has that. In fact, everybody deserves an award. I'm a mere representations of the Filipino business owners here who have struggles, pain points, and successes. I would like to impart this award to them, not only for myself, but the rest of the Filipino business community who's been striving, trying, and hoping for success.
Naging panauhing pandangal ang mutya ng Pilipinas President at wellness guru na si Cory Quirino at ang Philippine fashion icon Rene Salud na kapwa nabigyan ng award.
And to all the awardees tonight, I'm very pleased to be in your company, the League of Leaders of Abu Dhabi. I am touched by your advocacy to help uplift the community. What else can we do with our lives, right? If not to use what we are and who we are in order to uplift the lives of others.
I'm so happy talaga po. I'm ecstatic dahil syempre ang Abu Dhabi ho has been a part of my career as a fashion designer because this is the first country in dito sa Emirates na nakapag-fashion show ako. And that was during the 80s.
Ang Kapisanan ng Dangal ng Lahi, ang organisasyon na katuwang ng mutya ng Pilipinas na nagbibigay ng inspirasyon at nag-empower sa mga kababaihan.
And I'm really grateful that you have been there and continue to be here guiding and supporting me now as the president of this organization. My heart has always been to reach out for all the Filipinos here in UAE as well as the youth that I am handling right now. That's my advocacy po talaga and women empowerment, and I'm really grateful for this opportunity, for this platform, for me to be able to pursue my advocacy. And that is why Kapisanan ng Dangal ng Lahi is here.
Nagbigay ang grupo ng parangal para sa natatanging individual sa larangan ng liderato, negosyo, trabaho at propesyon ng mga Pinoy.
For the incredible stories of leadership, purpose, action, and remain living examples of the best of our what people can offer. For you all represent the best of our people. Maraming salamat po. Congratulations. Mabuhay ang Pilipino. Padayon po sa ating lahat.
This recognition is not a personal achievement, but a testament to the collective efforts, collaboration, and dedication of the community.
Nagkaroon din ng pagkakataon ng grupo na koronahan ng mutya ng Pilipinas Abu Dhabi, Natalie Jewel Reyes, para lumaban sa darating na mutya ng Pilipinas 2026.
As the president of Kapisanan ng Dangal ng Lahi, I would like to take this opportunity to thank each and every one of you and of course to congratulate all the awardees tonight. Deserve nyo ang marinig, deserve nyo ang makita sa lahat ng hard work na pinapakita nyo araw-araw for your family, for your friends, and for the Filipino community here in Abu Dhabi. Maraming salamat sa inyo and again, congratulations. God bless you all.
Para sa The Pinoy News Channel, Sophie Taiko Soldevilla, Abu Dhabi, UAE.